Quick story. A lawyer called IT because his letters looked slanted. The simple answer was, italics. Small visible issues create large support demand. Human attention amplifies system problems. GitHub logged an incident at 15:22 UTC on Thursday. Actions showed degraded performance. About 20 minutes later, availability was degraded. Workflows failed to start or failed mid-run. Actions REST API returned errors. Unexpected rate limits appeared. Pages was later affected. At 17:40 UTC, GitHub said mitigations were rolling out. This fits a pattern. Register numbers: 26 incidents in July, 23 in June, 23 in May, 26 in April. 6 incidents in early August so far. GitHub has said AI usage increased pressure. Leadership promised structural improvements in June. Some developers questioned platform stability. How the pieces fit. Actions orchestrates workflows via the REST API. Hosted runners execute job workloads. Pages hosts static sites separately. Copilot features add API and compute demand. If the REST API errors, workflows can't be scheduled. Rate limits throttle traffic. Migrations and webhooks depend on the same APIs. Why this matters. CI workflows failing block builds and deployments. Pages degradation affects docs and sites. Copilot interruptions slow feedback loops. Migrations and webhook delays break integrations. Repeated incidents force a trade-off. Cloud providers use auto-scaling, sharding, and isolation. Repeated incidents can indicate resource pressure or tight coupling. GitHub has blamed AI-driven load in part. Copilot features increase synchronous API and compute demand. This may reflect architectural or deployment gaps since June. Developer choices are concrete. Some public comments suggested moving projects off GitHub. Options include self-hosted runners to reduce hosted compute dependence. Multi-provider CI adds resilience but increases complexity. These are cost versus dependency trade-offs. The outage affected multiple GitHub features. Copilot code review and coding agent were impacted. Hosted runners and enterprise importer migrations were affected. Webhook deliveries experienced delays. This implies problems across orchestration and control planes. There are important unknowns. GitHub reported an unnamed root cause. We cannot confirm if June structural fixes are deployed. Public incident counts do not provide root cause classes or full recovery metrics. Bottom line. Platform scale CI and hosted services carry coupling and capacity risk. Watch GitHub status for confirmation of June structural changes. Evaluate self-hosted runners or multi-provider CI for critical delivery. Find the sources in the description. The register incident story and the on-call anecdote are linked there.